So how to put a SIM card on iPhone 16 or 16 series? For that you need this kind of, use this pin, press and hold, then just discharge this option. I already insert a physical SIM, so if you want to eSIM I will show you the option as well. Now insert the SIM properly like that, and once done just insert it, and once you insert then you can see the network bar top corner, and go to setting, and under setting go to cellular. Then here you can see the SIM card is available here, and if you want to set physical SIM as well then press on add eSIM, then it will shown like that. You have to scan QR code or transfer to other phone as well. So this is the process. Thank you, have a good day.